in that organization. Okay, so in your course name really. So today somehow birds are around, I don't know, so you have to listen to birds and also you have to listen to me as well. So we cannot stop birds. So manufacturing, and I put here industrial. Organization, okay? Organization. So I think for IM students, they may have some familiarity of this industrial or manufacturing organizations, how would be, because you are learning industrial management. For manufacturing students, since they underwent industrial exposures and training, probably they also have some understanding about manufacturing and industrial organization. It's a setup, let's say, because you underwent training. So even for food, you may have the similar experience. So under environmental management and clean production subject, okay, so the production word is there, okay, production. So this environmental management is connected with production or manufacturing or industry or trade. So it is very important to know in general how would be the organization of manufacturing or industry or service or trade or business or enterprise. You know that in your industrial training, in your record book, you have the record book given by NAITA. So as a standard, you are putting the organization chart. Organization chart. So in NAITA, okay. So let's say in your organization chart, the NAITA training, because we will start from a known thing, NAITA training, okay, NAITA monitored industrial training. In your daily record book, whatever. You all are putting organization chart. Why? Did it make any sense for you? Or did you put that because it seems like a standard putting that organization chart? Yes. Do you have answers? Okay, do you have answers? You have answers. So even this page would be very useful to you when you are going for the training in your next semester. Next semester, of course, is semester 5, but semester 6 came in advance. So for your next session, this may be an advantage, having this knowledge. What's the purpose of putting this? Yes, what's the purpose of putting this? Even NAITA officers, even they also have no much sense of the purpose of this. So what's the use of having this organization chart knowledge? What's the purpose? What's the purpose? What's the purpose? Okay. What's the use of it? Yes. Ask yourself. So do you have any answers, Putana? Okay. Do you have any answers? Yes. Do you have any answers? That's why. So this is the day 2 of the class. Day 1, we have learned something, of course. There were difficulties and we had some recording issues and all, but somehow we managed to do that. And day 2 is happened to be progressing of the subject. So without talking about this, moving forward may not be that complete. So will this knowledge be something like organization chart in NAITA record book? This learning of this organization? Will it be something like NAITA record book organization chart you are putting? Can you imagine? If you cannot hear, just let me know, Butala. So can you imagine what's the purpose of this? Yeah. Okay. So there is a big purpose of understanding this. Understanding this manufacturing industrial organization. Okay. There's a bigger purpose. Okay. There's a bigger purpose. There is a bigger purpose of understanding manufacturing or industrial organization. Yeah. Okay, there's a bigger purpose. Even when you go for interviews, to face the interview, to present yourself, if you are going for industry or any service sector, business or enterprise looking for a job, understanding their organization, at least the imagination of that would be important. Okay. So that is a bigger purpose of understanding this. So manufacturing or industrial organization, okay, for manufacturing or industrial organization, I have a different wordings, okay? I have a different wordings. Just two words. Two words. Two words. That is two words. Yeah. So I think only IM students, only you can guess this maybe, if you are aware of this. There are two words. Says this. What's that? IM students, you should know. You should know better than me because even I'm from manufacturing. Of course, if I'm from manufacturing, yeah, I know about this manufacturing organizations. That is one thing, but as managing industries, you should know this. Okay? Yes. Ikanayaka, do you have any answer for this? One word start from B, the other one start from P. So can anyone tells? Business process. That is to understand business process. Okay, business process. So this is how it should be. Yeah. By right. First, you should know your business process. Okay. Based on the business process, okay, you have to organize what? The processes. Okay. That's why organization word comes out. Organize the processes in the business. Okay. Business. Processes. Operations. Okay. Processes, operations. As a result, you will get the organization chart. Okay. But now you have no idea. Okay. You have no idea of the business process, but you have a nice organization chart. Okay. So this is what organization chart means. Also, for the, not to say experts, but those who are familiar with businesses, when they see organization chart, they can understand business process. Okay, they can understand business process. So understand business process means it's a total understanding of the process to manage or to help to manage it. Because when you are working, you are part of that. Yeah, you would be a human resource element in this process. No matter you do technology, no matter you do management, no matter you do product developments, no matter you do innovations, no matter marketing or sales, whatever, all related to the business process. Okay, business process. Yeah. Any questions?